welcome back to Cousin John Car Stuff. An unexpected video that I ended up doing today because I've seen that this is a common issue. Try to open the trunk on a 17 Sonata and you get click, 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 and it doesn't open. Now, I looked online and what was suggested, but I didn't see a video for it, take the key out of the remote, keep the remote near the car, and under here is a key hole, and you turn the key and you pop the trunk open. Now it does take a little time. There we go, and sometimes it will cycle correctly, as you saw, but right now, click, click, remote, hold, click, turn the key, and it might take 3 or 4 times, but there you go. Now, if that's odd, first time it's done that for me, but if you get the trunk open and it won't shut, it's because this little piece here has flipped over to the locked position, and what you have to do in that case is get a small screwdriver. Give me a moment. Get a small screwdriver, and while you're turning the key here, and get in there. But while you're turning the key like that, this is what worked for me. And then do that, and you can force the little crossover piece here in the lock position back down. It's not easy to do. It might work best with 2 people, but there we are. Click, 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 not opening. And it's each time, one time. Try it. Click, click, and you can feel the key turn a little bit further. This is good because it's not going to happen the first time, but you don't want to break the key, but you want to get it to turn just a little bit extra. And there you go. So when you feel the key right there, it'll go just a hair extra. But each time, turn the key, push the rubber release, and if it doesn't pop, turn the key back, turn it again, hit the release, and for me at least, it has opened every time. Now I understand this is quite a problem. There's a lot of complaints online that folks have complained to the BBB, and my own opinion is the BBB is great. But my understanding and my opinion is they just ask the business, has this been resolved? My opinion is, if you know folks who've experienced this, and I'm doing this in just a little while, is that I'll put in a report with the NHTSA, National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, and they start seeing dozens, if not hundreds, of complaints about this issue. Then they investigate, and they could potentially issue a recall to get this fixed for no charge or reimbursed for folks who paid to have it fixed. And there's a good video on how to replace a trunk latch on a 17 Sonata, and I'll leave that to that gentleman. So anybody who wants to try this, it may be the solution for you. My normal schedule is Saturday upload, but I'm uploading this on Thursday. No, I'll upload it on Saturday, scratch that. This is Saturday's upload, and I have one that I'll post next Saturday. So thanks for stopping by. Hope you come back. Visit my other channel if you'd like, John Smith. And on that one I have a preview of my car channel, Down Payment Down the Drain. So you might want to see that. Until next week, take care. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you like, share, and subscribe.